Hi, my name is Evelyn.
Hi, my name is Opal.
Hi, my name is Taylor, and we're the creators of DNA Beyond the Nucleus. Our piece is about the structure of a chromosome and where it's located. We came up with our theme because we wanted to have a creative way to show the chromosome, which can sometimes be boring, but we wanted to show it in like fun and interactive way.
Basically, our piece is about two friends that have an assignment coming up, but they don't know what to do. So they got trapped into a microscope and find a movie that teaches them about how the chromosomes are formed and where they're also located.
One of the most important parts for the audience to understand was how the DNA wraps around the fiber balls called histones, and it was also probably one of the most challenging parts of the project to come up with a creative way to show that. At first, to show this process, we tried string, and it wasn't really working out, and it wasn't sticking to the marbles as we wanted it to. So we tried some other materials like pipe cleaners, but we found that ribbon worked the best.
For the illustrations that you'll see in the video, I used Ibis Paint to draw those, and also, besides from iMovie, I also used CapCut to edit some of it. Probably the fact that you can take out the parts you don't want and add transitions there instead.
Something that was difficult was being remote, and so you can't communicate with the class directly.
A lot of times when we could FaceTime and talk instead of just texting, because we were able to be more clear and show what we've been working on at home or at school.
My favorite part was the part that I created, which was the DNA wrapping into the chromosome. I made the chromosome out of popsicle sticks, and the DNA was black yarn that I wrapped around it.
My favorite part in this project was probably editing it using iMovie and also the drawing part.
Some of my favorite parts of this piece were recording the video at the end with the bees and the nature and the stop motion. I really love the stop motion so much, I did a piece at home and brought it. I created the stop motion part about the messy bed that showed how the chromosomes may look messy, but they're very organized.
My role in the project was to draw a lot of the pictures that we couldn't copy off the internet, and also I helped with a lot of the editing that was more difficult for other people.
This was it was with technology, which is not what I'm best at. It wasn't my favorite, but I think it was a good learning experience. It's important to try out different ways of learning so we can figure out which ways we learn best.
I really enjoy using stop motion because I had an interest for photography even before this, and I feel like this was just a creative way to show that. I took what I learned from this project and I've applied it to so many other things. For example, I did a stop motion video for Girl Scouts in order to sell cookies.
I feel like normally I would be really stressed out to work in groups because I'm not a really big group person, but for this project it was actually pretty cool to try out and hang out with other people.
I hope you enjoy the show.
Bye, I hope you enjoy our show.
I hope you enjoyed the show. Bye. What can you see?
I see the nucleus, but where is the chromosome?
If we can't find a chromosome, how are we ever going to complete this assignment?
Whoa, what's happening? I don't know, but hold on!
Where are we?
Oh look, there's the chromosome.
We're in the nucleus of a cell! If we don't get back to planet Earth, I'm going to turn in my assignment late, and I'm going to get a bad grade. And what are you doing? Come on, we need to find a way out of here.
But there's a movie on.
I guess we could stay and watch a movie. Thanks.
It's starting.
You probably know about the structure of DNA, but what happens after that? Did you know that each and every one of us is made out of DNA? Humans have about 6 feet of DNA in each cell. We have an average of 10 trillion cells. Our DNA could stretch to the sun and back, 61 times. But where is it? DNA is stored in the nucleus of a cell, but in order to understand that, we need to rewind a little bit. First, the double helix wraps around the fiber balls called histones, like this. Those balls are called nucleosomes. They coil around each other. They do it again and supercoil. Then it forms the chromosome. It may look messy, but it's actually very organized. This is located in the nucleus of a cell. This is the brain of the cell because it has the chromosomes that hold the DNA. Humans have 46 chromosomes. Every living thing around you is made of DNA. Plants, animals, you and me. DNA is the information that makes us us. So when you look around, remember the unique features of you and the unique features of the others and the diversity of the people around you. It makes us beautiful.
I wish we could stay longer.
Yeah, me too. It was actually a cool movie.
It totally was. Our assignment! I totally forgot. What will we do?
It'd be cool if the microscope recorded us.
What if it did?
Congratulations! That was a wonderful assignment. How did you do it?
The power that lies in a microscope.